Hello everyone, and welcome to Vintage Motorhome Traveling, Update, and Repair. This is a show where I, your host, Johnny Man, will take an old motorhome on my adventures as I discover America. For my journey, I have chosen this, a 1995 Swinger by Georgie Boy. This is a 30-foot Class A motorhome. Much of the motorhome has already been remodeled, such as the living area, bedroom, and bathroom. A big thank you to the previous owner. But the motorhome still has plenty of room for improvement. One of the first things I will be updating is the radio. The new radio will be equipped with a front and rear camera. For my stereo, I have chosen a 10.1 Android radio. This radio is smart enough to support a front dash cam and a rear backup camera. To begin, I will start by removing all the old electronics. This radio cage will be repurposed for the new radio. Not a bad fit. This radio should fit perfectly in there. It is a good idea to test all your connections before installing the radio into your dash. The backup camera has been mounted at the back with the license plate. I also went ahead and replaced the speakers as well. Now with the radio installed, it is time to test the dash cam. That looks pretty good. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to please like and subscribe, and if you like what I have installed, I will leave links below.